How to use LegalZoom LLC formation properly. Beginner mistakes that cost you. Most entrepreneurs assume forming an LLC with LegalZoom is quick and foolproof, but the surprising truth is that beginners often make mistakes that can delay formation, increase costs, or create legal headaches. The first mistake is not choosing the correct state. LC rules, taxes, and filing requirements vary widely. Beginners who pick the wrong state may face unnecessary fees or ongoing compliance issues. Another common error is providing incomplete or inconsistent information. LegalZoom requires accurate names, addresses, and member details. Small mistakes can lead to rejected filings or delays. Many users overlook the importance of an operating agreement. LegalZoom offers templates, but beginners who skip customization may encounter disputes over ownership, profit distribution, or management decisions. Failing to address registered agent requirements is another pitfall. Every LLC must have a registered agent. Beginners who neglect this may face legal notifications or missed deadlines. Finally, some entrepreneurs assume LegalZoom replaces professional legal advice. While it simplifies the process, complex situations like multiple owners, investors, or intellectual property concerns may require an attorney. To use LegalZoom LLC formation properly, choose the correct state, provide complete information, customize the operating agreement, ensure a registered agent is in place, and seek legal advice when needed. Avoid these mistakes, and your LLC will be set up efficiently and legally.